Are you ready to learn the 7 best ways to make money online with Chat GPT in 2023? If you're looking for a flexible, exciting, and profitable online venture, you're in the right place. Before we jump into it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now, let's dive into these 7 incredible methods to make money online with Chat GPT. Method number 1 is freelance writing and content creation. Chat GPT has revolutionized the content creation industry with its incredible language generation capabilities. By harnessing the power of Chat GPT, you can create high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, and more, all at lightning speed. Just sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and create an eye-catching profile showcasing your Chat GPT-assisted writing skills. Clients will love the efficiency and quality you can bring to their projects. Plus, you can charge competitive rates and complete projects faster than ever before. Pro tip: create a portfolio website showcasing your best work to give potential clients a taste of what you can do. This will also help you build credibility and trust in your services. The second method is offering virtual assistant services. With Chat GPT, you can take your VA services to the next level by automating tasks such as email management, data entry, and customer service. By incorporating Chat GPT into your workflow, you'll be able to handle multiple clients simultaneously, increasing your income potential. Use your newfound efficiency as a selling point to attract clients and watch your business grow. To ensure success, focus on developing strong communication skills and staying organized. Managing several clients at once can be challenging, so having a reliable system in place will be crucial for your success. Method number 3 is chatbot development. Chat GPT's natural language processing abilities make it perfect for creating conversational chatbots for businesses in various industries. You can offer chatbot development services, creating customized chatbots for customer support, lead generation, or even as personal assistants. With Chat GPT, you'll be able to create chatbots that can handle complex conversations and provide valuable services to your clients. This skill set will make you stand out from the competition and command higher fees. To get started, learn the basics of chatbot development and familiarize yourself with popular chatbot platforms like Dialogflow, BotPress, or TARS. This will allow you to offer a wide range of chatbot solutions and cater to different client needs. Our fourth method is online tutoring and course creation. Chat GPT is an excellent resource for creating educational content, such as lesson plans, study guides, or even entire online courses. You can offer tutoring services in subjects you're knowledgeable about to create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. By using Chat GPT to help create your course material, you can ensure your content is engaging, comprehensive, and up-to-date, resulting in happy students and more sales. To make your courses stand out, consider incorporating multimedia elements like video, audio, and interactive quizzes. This will create a more immersive learning experience for your students and help set your courses apart from the competition. The fifth method is affiliate marketing. Chat GPT can help you create compelling content to promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about. Then sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Use Chat GPT to craft engaging blog posts, product reviews, or social media content that highlights the benefits of the products or services you're promoting. With the right strategy, you can build a passive income stream and enjoy the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. To maximize your earnings, focus on building a loyal audience by providing valuable and informative content. This will help establish trust with your readers, making them more likely to purchase through your affiliate links. Method number 6 is social media management. With Chat GPT, You can create attention-grabbing social media content for businesses, increasing their online presence and helping them connect with their target audience. Offer your services on platforms like LinkedIn or reach out to businesses directly. By using Chat GPT to generate content ideas, write engaging captions, and craft compelling stories, you'll be able to supercharge your clients' social media accounts and grow their brand online. Your top-notch social media management skills, thanks to Chat GPT, will set you apart and keep clients coming back for more. To become a successful social media manager, stay up to date with the latest trends and platform features. This will ensure your strategies remain effective and relevant, helping your clients stay ahead of the competition. And finally, method number 7 is language translation services. ChatGPT's language generation capabilities make it an excellent tool for translating content between different languages quickly and accurately. You can offer translation services for business looking to expand their reach internationally, or individuals in need of translation for personal projects. By leveraging ChatGPT's language models, you can ensure high-quality translations and fast turnaround times, making your services highly sought after in the global market. To excel in this field, it's essential to have a strong grasp of the languages you're translating. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions of each language to ensure accurate and contextually appropriate translations. And there you have it, folks. Those were the 7 best ways to make money online with ChatGPT in 2023. Each of these methods has the potential to unlock a whole new world of income opportunities for you. So don't wait. Dive in and start making money online today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might be interested. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for making money online. If you have any questions, or if you've already tried any of these methods, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and success stories. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck and happy earning!